morning, students. Today we are going to discuss some difficult calculations of gravitation. I have taken these all the examples from your textbook. So you have to solve this and you have to write in scientific notation. Okay? So here is the number 6.7 into 10 raised to minus 11 into 6 into 10 raised to 24 into 7.4 into 10 raised to 22 upon bracket 3.84 into 10 raised to 8 bracket close square. So this will be equal to 6.7 into 10 raised to minus 11 6.7 into 6 into 7.4 into 10 raised to 6. Here is 10 raised to minus 11, 10 raised to 24, 10 raised to 22. These all are in multiplication. Here is the base 10, base 10, base 10, base 10. So all the index will be added. It means minus 11 plus 24 plus 22 upon, see, this number is twice. Since here is the square, so this number is twice. So write 2 times. 3.84 into 10 raised to 8 into 3.84 into 10 raised to 8. This will be equal to. Now see, remove the decimal from here, write 10. Remove the decimal from here, 10. Remove the decimal from here, 100. Decimal, again 100. 1 0 0 cancel, 0 0 cancel. It means now you have to multiply 6 7 into 6 into 74 into 10 raised to, see, this is 22 plus 24, that is 46, minus 11 plus 46 divided by 384 into 384 into C. Here 10 raised to 8, 10 raised to 8. Base are 10, base are 10. And both are in multiplication. So base will be 10 and index will be added. 8 plus 8. 3 to the 6. 19 to the 38. 2 to the 4. 37 to the 74 into 192 the 384. This will be equal to, here is the 100, so write 100 here. 50 to the 100, 9 to the 18, carry 1, 6 to the 12, 25 to the 50, 48 to the 96. Now this will be equal to, listen, see, 3 1 the 3, 3 6 the 18, carry 1, 3 4 the 12. Now this number will be equal to 67 into 37 into 25 divided by 64 into 48 into 10 raised to 8 plus 8, that is 16. Here is 10 raised to 46 minus 11, that will be equal to 5 minus 1, that is 6 minus 1, 5, 4 minus 3, that is 10 raised to 35. Now this will be equal to, now you have to multiply this number. So this will be equal to 61975. After multiplication you will get this upon, if you multiply 64 into 48 you will get 3072 into 10 raised to 16. If you divide 61975 by 3072 you will get 20.17. Take only 2 digits after decimal. So this will be equal to 20.17 into C. Here is 10 raised to 35 upon 10 raised to 16. Here is base 10, here is base 10. Both are in division. So this index will be subtracted. It means 16 will be subtracted from 35. So then 10 raised to 35 minus 16. So this will be equal to 20.17 into 10 raised to C. Nine, 19. So this is not in scientific notation. Decimal is here. So in the previous lecture I have told you how to convert a number into scientific notation. So you have to this decimal here. So this will be equal to 2.017 into 10 raised to 19 plus 1, since you have shifted one digit. So this will be equal to 2.017 into 10 raised to 20. Now this is in scientific notation. It means after simplification you will get this. So this example I have taken from your textbook, from gravitation chapter. Understood? So now I will take some more examples from your textbook. So here is the second examples. 3.5 into 10 raised to 22 is equal to 6.7 into 10 raised to minus 11 into 6 into 10 raised to 24 into x divided by bracket 1.5 into 10 raised to 11 bracket close square. In this you have to find the value of x. Okay, so this will be equal to cross multiplication. Here is the 1, this into 1, this will become same number, that will be equal to, write the number at one place. It means we can write this will be equal to 6.7 into 6 into 6 into x into c. Here is the base 10, both are in multiplication, So base will be 10 and index will be added. It means minus 11 plus 24 is equal to this into this. It means 3.5 into 10 raised to 22 into, see, this number is twice because it is square. So write twice 1.5 into 10 raised to 11 into again 1.5 into 10 raised to 11, because this is twice 1.5 into 10 raised to 11 bracket square. It means this number is twice. So I have written twice 1.5 into 10 raised to 11 into 1.5 into 10 raised to 11. Okay. So therefore, write here therefore this will be equal to 6.7 into 6 into x into 10 raised to 24 minus 11. That will be equal to 4 minus 1 3, 2 minus 1 1, 13 is equal to, write the number at one place. It means 3.5 into 1.5 into 1.5. See, 10 raised to 22 into 10 raised to 11 into 10 raised to 11. Base are 10, 10, 10, 10. All the index will be added. It means 22 plus 11 plus 11. This will be equal to 10. Base will be 10. 20 plus 11 plus 11. Okay. Therefore, x will be equal to, see, x will be equal to 3.5 into 1.5 into 1.5 into 10 raised to, that is 11 plus 11, 22, 22 plus 22, that is 44, 44 divided by, these all are in multiplication, so this will be equal to 6.7 into 6 into 10 raised to 13. Now remove the decimal. Here will be 10. Here will be 10. Here will be 10. Here will be 10. 0, 0 cancel. Therefore, x will be equal to 35 into 15 into 15 into 10 raised to 44. See, here is 10 raised to 13. Here is 1. Here is 1. Okay. So we can write 6, 7 into 6 into 10 raised to 13. 10 raised to, here is 1. Nothing, it means 1. Here is 1. Base is 10, base is 10, base is 10. All are in multiplication. All are in multiplication. So this will be equal to 10 into 13 plus 1 plus 1. So this will be equal to therefore x is equal to 3 2 is 6, 3 5 the 15. 35 into 15 into 5 into 10 raised to 44 divided by 67 into 2 into 10 raised to 15. Now you have to multiply this number. Therefore, x will be equal to this will be equal to 2625 upon 134. Here will be 10 raised to, see, here is the base 10, base 10, but both are in division. So index will be subtracted. Here 15 will be subtracted from 44. 10, 44 minus 15. So if you divide 2625 by 134, you will get 19.58. Okay. So this will be, therefore x will be equal to 19.58 into 10 raised to 44 minus 15, that is 9. And 3 minus 1, that is 2. Now this is not in scientific notation, so you have to shift this decimal from here to here. Therefore x will be equal to 1.958 into 10 raised to 29 plus 1, since you have shifted only one digit. Therefore x is equal to 1.958 10 raised to 30. Now this is in scientific notation. Okay. Here I have taken some more examples. You have to solve this and you have to write in scientific notation. It's very simple now. Remove the decimal. Right, 100. So this will be equal to 0, 0 cancel. 5 2s are 10. 5 1s are 5. 2 5 5s are 25. Now this will be equal to 6 6 6 7 into 15 into 8 into 10 raised to minus 11 divided by 2. Two ones are 2, 2 4s are 8. This will be equal to 6 6 7 into 15 into 4 into 10 raised to minus 11. This will be equal to, you have to multiply these all the numbers. So this will be equal to, after multiplication you will get 40020. So this will be equal to 40020 into 10 raised to minus 11. See, this is not in scientific notation. So here decimal is here. So you have to move, or you have to shift from here to here. So this will be equal to 4.0020 into 10 raised to minus 11. Plus or minus? Plus, since you have shifted from decimal right hand side to left hand side. How many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4. So you have to add plus 4. Now there is no meaning of 0. So this will be equal to 4.002 into 10 raised to, that is 11, minus 11 plus 4, that is equal to minus 7. Now this is in scientific notation. I hope now this is easy, very easy. One more examples I have taken. This will be equal to, remove the decimal from here, right? 1000. Since there is 3 digit, 1, 2, 3. So on 1 you have to add 1, 2, 3, 30. So this will be equal to 4002 upon 75 into 10 raised to minus 7. You can write this number 10 raised to 3. Okay. So if you divide 4002 by 75. If you divide 4002 by 75, you will get 53.36. So this will be equal to 53.36 into. Now see, here is base 10, base 10. Both are in division. So index will be subtracted, minus 7. 7. This will be minus. Subtract, it means minus 3. So this will be equal to 5336 10 raised to minus 10. So this is not in scientific notation. So you have to shift this decimal from here to here. So this will be equal to 5.336 into 10 raised to minus 10 plus 1. Since you have shifted one digit, so I have added 1 here. So this will be equal to 5.336 into 10 raised to minus 9. Now this is in scientific notation. I hope you understood how to convert a number into scientific notation. Here I have taken again from your textbook. You have to solve this and you have to write the number in scientific notation. Okay. So this will be equal to, now you can do, no problem at all. That is 6.67 into 75 into 6 into, see here is base 10, base 10, index is minus 11 or 20 plus 24. So base will be 10 and index will be added, minus 11 plus 24. Write this number twice. This will be equal to 6.4 into 10 raised to 6 into 6.4 into 10 raised to 6. So this will be equal to, now remove the decimal, right, 100, remove the decimal, here will be 10, here will be again 10, 0, 0 cancel, 0, 0 cancel. Now this will be equal to 667 into 75 into 6 into 10 raised to 24 minus 11. That will be equal to 4 minus 1, 3, 2 minus 1, 1, 13. Divided by 64 into 64 into. Here is base 10, base 10. 10 raised to 6, 10 raised to 6. It means 10 raised to, index will be added, 6 plus 6. 30 to the 64. 3 to the 6. So this will be equal to, now you have to multiply 667 into 75 into 3. So this will be equal to 510075. If you multiply this number, and if you multiply 64 into 32, you will get 2048. Here 10 raised to 13 upon 10 raised to 12. 6 plus 6, 12. So this will be equal to, if you divide this number 150075 by 2048, if you divide 150075 by 2048, you will get 73.27. Take till 2 digit of the decimal. Okay. So this will be equal to 7327 into 10 raised to 10 raised to 13. 10 raised to 13, 10 raised to 12, but both are in division. This will be equal to 13 minus 12. So this will be equal to 73.27 into 10 raised to 13 minus 12, that will be equal to 1. So here is the decimal. So you have to shift the decimal from here to here for scientific notation. So this will be equal to 7.327 into 10 raised to 1 plus 1. Since you have shifted one digit from right hand side to left hand side, so we have added 1 here. So this will be equal to 7.327 into 10 raised to 2. Now this is in scientific notation. I hope you have understood how you can write a number into scientific notation. So now this is very easy for you. Now I will take one more example. You have to solve this again. This example I have taken from your textbook. Under root 2 into 9.8 into 6.4 into 10 raised to 6. So this will be equal to, what you have to do? First of all, remove the decimal. This will be equal to 2 into 98 upon 10, 64 into, if you remove the decimal from here, you will write here 10 into 10 raised to 6. This will be equal to, you have to multiply all the number. So this will be equal to, if you multiply 2 into 98 into 64, you will get 12544 into 10 raised to 6 divided by C. Here we can write 10 raised to, here is base 10, here is 1, 1. This will be equal to 1 plus 1, 2, right? So this will be equal to 12544 into C. Base 10, both are in division. This will be equal to 10 raised to 6 minus 2. So this will be equal to 12544 into 10 raised to 4. This will be equal to C. If you find out the root of 12544, so you will get 112. So this will be equal to 112 into C. What you have to do? Here is 10 raised to 4. Here is 10 raised to 4. So whenever you will take outside the root, power will be half, index will be half. It means here will be 10 raised to 2. Okay? Always remember, you have to make index even number. If there is no even number, then you have to make this index even number. I will take one more example in which here will be an odd number. Okay? So you have to convert this index into even number. If there is odd number, then you have to convert into even number. And what after if you take outside the root, this will be just half. If here is, suppose here is 10 raised to 8, outside the root, this will be equal to 10 raised to 4. If 10 raised to 10, outside the root, this will be equal to 10 raised to 5. 10 raised to 12, then after, if you take out from the root, you will get 10 raised to 6. So this will be equal to 112 into 10 raised to 2. Now this is not in scientific notation. So what you have to do? Here is a decimal. See, here is no decimal. It means here is a decimal. So you have to move the decimal from here to here. So this will be equal to 1.12 into 10 raised to 2 plus 2. This will be equal to 1.12 into 10 raised to 4. Now this number is in scientific notation. One more example I will take, in which here will be odd number. So I am going to tell you how you have to solve if there is odd number. This is the examples. Now I have taken 10 raised to 7. Okay. So what you will do? This will be equal to, again, under root 2 into 98 upon 10 into 64 upon 10 into 10 raised to 7. Under root will be till here. This will be equal to under root 2. If you multiply, you will get 1, 2, 5, 4, 4 into 10 raised to 7 upon 10 raised to, here is 1, here is 1, base is 10, base is 10, index will be added, it means 1 plus 1. This will be equal to 1, 2, 5, 4, 4 into 10 raised to 7 divided by 10 raised to 2. So this will be equal to 1, 2, 5, 4, 4 into 10 raised to 7 minus 2. Since base is 10, but both are in division. So this 2 will be subtracted in 7. So this will be equal to 1, 2, 5, 0, 4, 4 into 10 raised to 5. Now see, in the previous example, I have told you, if there is odd number, you have to change it into even number. So what you will do, you have to do, write like this, 1, 2, 5, 4, 4. We can write like this, 10 raised to 1 into 10 raised to 4. If you break 10 raised to 5, then this you can write this 10 raised to 1 into 10 raised to 4. If you solve this 10 raised to 1 into 10 raised to 4, here base is 10, both are in multiplication. If you will solve this, you will get 10 raised to 5, 10 raised to 5. So now this will be equal to 1, 2, 5, 4, 4. 10 raised to 1, it means 10. If you multiply this into 10, you will get 0 here. So now this will be equal to 10 raised to 4. This will be equal to now see, you have to take the under root of this. So I will take here 1, 2, 5, 4, 4, 0. You have to find the under root of this. So this will be equal to, if you find under root of 1, 2, 5, 4, 4, 0, then you will get 354.17. Take till 2 digits, okay? So this will be equal to 354.17 into 10 raised to 4. What you have to do? Just half the power, half the index. So this will be equal to 10 raised to 2. So this is not in scientific notation. So you have to shift this decimal from here to here. So this will be equal to 3.5417 into 10 raised to 2 plus 1, 2. So this will be equal to 3.5417 into 10 raised to 4. Now this is in scientific notation. It means after simplification you will get this. See, in the previous lecture we had seen how to write a number in scientific notation. So this will help you a lot in gravitation and in space mission, that is chapter number 10. So in next lecture I will start basics of chemistry. Okay, at least 3 and 4 lecture will be there in basics of chemistry. Then we will come to the first chapter, that is gravitation. Okay, thank you.